presentation I was making in there, I feel the representation from Total is poor, because we were expecting all major stakeholders to be part of this meeting. We expected Total to be part of it. We expected the Department of Petroleum Resources to be part of it. We expected Federal Ministry of Environment to be part of it. We expected the State Ministry of Environment to be part of it. We expected the local government to be part of it. We expected the House Committee Chairman on Environment to be part of it. We expected all major stakeholders to be part of it, because this has to do with the impact of their operation in a community that is domiciled in Abia State and in Nigeria. So all major stakeholders should be part of a review of this impact. But that was lacking. The only people that we saw here were only the contractors, just the consultants that are supposed to do the EIA